Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In this video, I will show you how to use the volume open interest footprint to detect market trade opportunities. The volume open interest footprint is an indicator that generates a footprint style bar profile based on the aggregated volume or open interest data within your chart's visible range. Traders can choose from three different heat map visualizations: volume data / OI data, total volume / total OI, and buy versus sell volume / OI increase versus decrease. To apply this indicator on the price chart, search the keywords volume open interest footprint. Select the EP version by Leviathan Capital. Here's the technical indicator on our price chart. Before further checking how this indicator works, let's check its functionality settings. Right-click on the indicator and proceed to select the Settings option to see its parameters. Under the Input settings, there is the source. This input lets you choose the data that will be displayed in the footprint bar. Take note, open interest part of it only works for crypto, but the volume part of it works on every pair where volume data is provided. Therefore, if you set volume as the data source, you can use the script on any pair you want, as long as its volume data is available. And if your data source is open interest, then you're limited to crypto futures pair listed on Binance, because this is where OI data is available. There is the resolution. Resolution is the number of rows displayed in a bar. Increasing it will provide more granular data, and vice versa. You might need to decrease the resolution when viewing larger ranges. Next is the type. Choose between three types of visualization: total volume or total open interest increase, up-down, buy volume versus sell volume or OI increase versus OI decrease, and delta, buy volume, sell volume, or OI increase, OI decrease. Next is the positioning. Choose the location where the bar is positioned, relative to the visible range. There is the offset. This input moves the bar to the right for the N number. There is the width. This input defines the width of the footprint bar in number of bars. Next is the positive delta levels. This function will draw boxes, levels, where delta is positive. These levels can serve as significant points of interest, SR targets, etc., because they mark the zones where there was an increase in buy pressure or position opening. Next is volume aggregation. You can aggregate volume data from 8 different sources. Make sure to check if volume data is reported in base or quote currency, and turn on the RQC, reported in quote currency, function accordingly. Other settings mostly include appearance inputs. How can the volume open interest footprint indicator be used to detect trade opportunities in the market? Once the indicator has been added to your price chart, the indicator will use your chart's visible range and generate a footprint bar on the right side of the screen. You can move left or right, zoom in or out, and the bar's data will be updated automatically. The red shaded footprint bar on the right side signifies sell volume, and the green shaded footprint bar signifies buy volume. The red shaded footprint bar volume will display the amount of sell value. Likewise, the green shaded volume will display the buy volume value. Whenever the red shaded footprint bar sell volume value is higher than the green shaded footprint bar buy volume, it signifies a potential sell volume. Likewise, whenever the green shaded footprint bar buy volume value is higher than the red shaded footprint bar sell volume, it signifies a potential buy volume. And whenever the footprint bar sell volume value is equal to the footprint bar buy volume, it signifies a potential ranging market. The formation of colorless shaded portions at both sides signals a point at which traders should be looking out for the reversal of trends in the market. Whenever the footprint bar sell volume value is equal to the footprint bar buy volume in a downtrend, it is likely for the bearish trend to be reversed into a bullish trend. If equality occurs at the top of an uptrend, it is likely for the bullish trend to be reversed into a bearish trend. Let's study an example of the reversal of a downtrend to an uptrend setup with this trending indicator. As we can see after the massive bearish price swing to this low swing here, there was equality between the footprint bar sell volume value and the footprint bar buy volume. This equality was 103.44K on both sides. This equality was terminated at 462.419K, which was higher than 365.896K. We can see how the trend resulted into a bullish trend. Let's study an example of a buy setup with this trading indicator. As we can see in this uptrend, after the price retested the previous support at the price value of 1.18583, the green shaded footprint bar buy volume value turned 2.111 million and the red shaded footprint bar sell volume turned 1.57 million. The green higher volume signals the potential buy volume. We can see how the trend proceeded upward. Let's study an example of the reversal of an uptrend to a downtrend with this trending indicator. As we can see in this uptrend, there was almost equality at the high swing of 1.14937 price level. The equality was in the range of 287.342K and 286.252K. The seller side volume was slightly higher than the buyer's volume. There was a tug of war between the seller and buyers during this uptrend. The buyer's volume gradually becomes weaker and the seller's interest gets stronger. This range of equality signals a potential reversal in this uptrend to the downside. We can see how the bullish trend was reversed to a downtrend. Let's study an example of a sell setup with this trading indicator. There was a bullish retest and bearish rejection close of the candlestick below the previous broken support at the 1.11159 price level. The downtrend was confirmed at the red shaded footprint bar sell volume that turned 3.357 million volume, which superseded the 3.077 million buy volume. Traders can keep adding to their sell position at each higher red shaded footprint bar sell volume that is greater than the green shaded footprint bar buy volume. To have a higher winning trading result with this trading indicator, make sure to apply it to trade in the direction of a trending market.